Hey everyone, welcome to Pinch of Pink Salt. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Today we're going to be sharing one of my favorite oven-baked oatmeals, and it's a really easy recipe, and what I love about it is it requires only one dish. Just make sure it's oven safe. And it makes a great breakfast staple. Let's get into the video. First we're going to need some ripe bananas, and we're just going to mash that together until it's completely mashed. Okay, now we're going to add in our oats. I like to use Old Fashioned Oats because I feel that they bake better in the oven. We're going to add in some cinnamon, and then we're going to be adding in some nutmeg. I like to freshly grate my nutmeg. I feel it adds more fragrance. Now we're going to add in our vanilla, flax meal, and we're going to combine everything together until well mixed. Okay, and then we're going to add in our plant-based milks. Today I'm using almond milk, but you can use whatever plant-based milk you have on hand. And we're going to combine everything until well incorporated. Now we're going to add in our maple syrup, or any sweetener that you have. And I'm adding frozen blueberries to my mix. And we're going to mix that well. Okay, now this is totally up to you, but I'm gonna add in some extra blueberries. And guys, I forgot to add pink salt to this recipe. Don't forget to add salt. It's optional, but I definitely recommend it. And you're gonna bake it for 25 to 35 minutes in an oven, 350 degrees. And this is what it looks like when it comes out. It looks perfect. And I'm just topping it with some browned bananas, just making it really pretty. And I'm gonna drizzle on some tahini, but you can use any type of nut butter you like. This is looking so pretty. And some more maple syrup. And like I said, the sweetener, you can use whatever you'd like. And guys, this is looking absolutely gorgeous. It's just so beautiful and it smells amazing. And I'm sprinkling on some extra cinnamon on top. And that's it, everyone. This is my oven-baked oatmeal with bananas and blueberries. It tastes amazing. It's so warm, it's so hearty and so comforting, and it's a perfect breakfast staple that I would love all of you guys to give a try. I hope you all give this recipe a try, and if you do, let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And to see more videos like this one, subscribe and hit that notification bell. We put out new videos every week. Until next time, have a great day.